Welcome back, everybody, and thank you so much for viewing episode 2 of our Leadermac vlog series. This episode is geared towards two groups. The first, perhaps you've heard about the Leadermac line of molders and want to better understand the spectrum of the product line that we have to offer. Or the other group, perhaps you requested a quote from us a number of years ago and require a refresher to better understand the line of molders to see which equipment configuration is really going to be the best for your specific needs. In the most recent episode, what we did is we discussed using the Mack series of molders to help grow your small or medium-sized business. That video offered a more in-depth review of the Mack's key features. And if you've not already seen episode 1, I would encourage you to go back and view it. What it's going to do is it's going to provide you with more detail than what it is that we're going to be covering today. In addition to the Mack, what we're going to be looking at today are our other non-high-speed, non-jointed molder configurations. So, as mentioned, the Mack is the initial molder in our series. These units are available in 4 and 5 head spindle configurations and come in 7 and 9 inch width capacities. 40mm spindles at 6,000 RPM, and the feed speeds are between 20 and 85 feet per minute. These units do have a shared motor for the vertical spindles. The horsepower at the various spindle locations will be between 7.5 and 15 horsepower. Moving up to our next molder in the spectrum or series is our compact molder. This level is available with 4, 5, or 6 spindles in 7, 9, and 12 inch width capacities. All 12-inch molders will come with precision outboard bearings. The spindle on the compact series is an 1.13" diameter spindle at 6,000 RPM. The feed speeds are between 20 and 85 feet per minute, and independent motors drive each of the spindles. The horsepower at the various spindle locations will be between 7.5 and 15 horsepower. Now, moving on to the third level in our spectrum of non-high-speed, non-jointed molders is our Platinum. Typically purchased in a 6-head configuration, the Platinums are also available in 9 and 12-inch width capacities. Again, a 12-inch unit will include the precision spindle outboards. The stock spindle diameter on these units are an 1.13", 8,000 RPM, and the feed speed is exceeding our previous two models, pushing you into the 20 to 100 plus feet per minute category. The horsepower of the motors on the Platinum will vary between 10 and 15 in our stock configurations. Another key feature that I'd like to highlight is that the Platinum does come stock standard with a 60mm inside fence. This will allow you to run taller products and more architectural products. Now, I would like to highlight that these units are highly customizable. So while we spoke about a series of stock standard configurations, these units can be adjusted to meet your specific needs. More importantly, taking a look at the spindle diameter, the RPM, and the control systems that are going to be necessary to meet your specific production demands. Also, each of these units can be ordered with our Easy Set or Smart Set control system, allowing you to automate your operation. Lastly, to help you better understand our unit classification coding, here's a brief summary. A 518S is a 5-head, 180mm width capacity or 7-inch width capacity Mack molder. A 623C is a 6-head, 230mm or 9-inch width capacity compact molder. Lastly, a 630P would be a 6-head, 300mm or 12-inch width capacity molder from our Platinum series. So if you're interested in the content that we've discussed today and you'd like to learn a little bit more, please feel free to reach out to me directly by email at davidr@leadermacusa.com or by phone at 905-362-3766. Depending on which social media platform you're viewing us on today, please check the corresponding links either above or below, like and share this vlog content. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you in future episodes.